Okay, this is the Kohler Courage 19 on this Cub Cadet. It's backfiring through the intake. Anyhow, when I was tearing the carb off, I found this inside the intake plenum. It's a baffle of some type, but it's just in there bouncing around. There's nothing to hold it secure. So I looked it up in the illustrated parts catalog, and it shows it gives an item number, but when you drop down to try to order the part, it's not there. It's like they've deleted this for some reason. I still got to check and make sure that it hasn't done any intake valve damage, but I don't think it has, because there's no damage to the baffle itself. All right, anyone has any ideas, let me know.